Hi everyone, we are going to install the Cockpit Storage component for Cockpit on CentOS7. In the previous video we demonstrated the process of how you install the Cockpit administration UI on CentOS7. So if you haven't already installed Cockpit on your CentOS7 VM, I recommend you watch the previous video. Okay, to get started, you log into your Linux VM remotely via SSH, which I've done so, and I'm logged in as root. And I'll actually show you the VM which is running, and it's running on Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm going to minimize that VM, then go back to the SSH terminal window. Okay, to install the component, which is called cockpit-storaged, you simply type the following command. So it's yum space cockpit-storaged space -y, then hit enter. Okay, my apologies. I missed out a key part of the command. So it's yum space install space cockpit-storaged space -y, then hit return. And we're just waiting for the various software components to install. Okay, so that process is now finished, and I'll now go to the Cockpit UI. Okay, so on the left hand side, we won't see the storage UI yet, so I'm just going to hit refresh on my browser. And now we can see the storage component on the left hand side. And in the middle of the screen, you can see the various disks and logical volumes that have been configured. Okay, so that's about it. So thank you very much for your time if you got to the end of this video. If you like this video, please click on like. Should you wish to see further videos from myself, please subscribe to my channel. And finally, don't forget to hit the notification bell should you wish to be alerted when I upload further videos. Thank you very much for your time.